First thing I want to do is remove the wheel. 21mm socket, remove all 5 of your lug nuts. And remove the wheel. To remove the sway bar link, I'm going to use some locking pliers on the back side. They provide a little area for you to grab onto, which is good. Lock them on as tight as you can. And then with a 17mm socket, I'm going to take this nut off. Okay, the locking pliers worked for a little bit, but now they're slipping. So I'm going to take them off, tighten them up, readjust. Okay. Perfect. So you can see right here, this is what I was trying to grab onto. They give you this kind of a nut here, and I knew that a wrench wouldn't fit, or I knew that a wrench wouldn't work just because it's so rusty, which is why I went straight to locking pliers. So I did the same to the other side of the car. I undid the top of the sway bar link. Now I can move the whole sway bar up and down. I got my locking pliers on here and my 17mm socket on the nut side. Let's try to undo this one. Okay, that's done. Go ahead and put the sway bar link through the bottom here. And let's install our new nut, which by the way is now a 19mm, so you're gonna have to go 2 sizes up on your socket. Let's bottom that out. I'm gonna hold this part with a 19mm wrench. Bottom out the nut. Now let's torque it. 66 foot-pounds. Okay, that's tight. Now let's put the top of the sway bar link back into the strut and reinstall the nut. Snug it up. I'm going to hold the backside with a 19mm wrench, and then I'll torque it to 66 foot-pounds. Okay, now let's torque it. While torquing, I'm going to have to hold it from the backside. Right there, perfect. Now let's get the wheel on. Start on all 5 of your lug nuts, snug them up, and then I'll torque them to 80 foot-pounds. All right,